Hey everyone, if your Keurig isn't brewing like it used to, don't worry. Yeah, today I'll show you how to properly maintain your Keurig coffee maker so it stays fast, clean, and reliable in 2026. Let's jump in. First, you'll want to rinse the water reservoir every few days. So just remove the tank, empty any old water, and rinse it with fresh, clean water. I mean, this simple habit helps prevent buildup and keeps your coffee tasting right. Next up, once a week, clean the drip tray and pod holder. Slide out the drip tray, wash it with warm, soapy water, and let it dry. Then remove the pod holder and rinse away any coffee residue. Now, yeah, this part is important. Over time, the needles can get clogged with coffee grounds. Carefully unplug the machine first, then gently clean the needle area using a paper clip or cleaning tool. Just be gentle here. To keep your Keurig running smoothly, descale it every 3 months. Fill the reservoir with descaling solution and water, then run brew cycles without a pod until the tank is empty. So this removes mineral buildup inside the machine. Finally, always use fresh, filtered water when possible. Yeah, stale or hard water can affect both taste and machine performance over time, and that's pretty much it. Keep up with these simple maintenance steps, and your Keurig should stay clean and brew perfectly every day. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more quick fixes and guides. Hey everyone,